Come on, what do you want?
सर आज इनोव्हेशन केलं आहे कोस्ट गार्डाचं ते किती सांगू शकता सर?
सी टायप 5 क्वार्टर्साचे हे उद्घाटन जाल्लें आसा आनी हांव तरी खूब खुशी आहा की कोस्ट गार्डाचे म्हणजे हांगा तेंची प्रेझन्स जी आसा ती बरे भाशेन इन्क्रीज जायत आसा आनी तेणी लोकांची सदां मदत केल्ली आसा. कितले खेपे आमचे फिशरमॅन भाव दर्यान म्हणजे आकांतां सापडटा तेन्ना पयलीं पावता कोस्ट गार्ड, पयलीं पावता ते लोकांक साल्वार करपाक. तेच भाशेन बाकीचे सगळे हांगा ज्यो बोट्यो येता ते सगळे तांकां सुरक्षा दिवपाक तेंचें काम. कितें अनटुवर्ड एक्टिविटी जाता, कितें सारकें ना ते रिपोर्ट करता आनी ते एक्शन घेता. सो तेंचो वर्सां वर्स रोल वाडत आसा आनी हो रोल वाडले कारणान आमी हॅपी की कोस्ट गार्ड हिंगा गोंयानूय तेंचे बरे भाशेन बिल्डअप जाल्ले आसा, तशें सगळे बाकीच्यांचेय जाता. हें कितें दाखयता प्रगती गोंयची, कितें दाखयता प्रगती देशाची. बाब नरेंद्र मोदी येतगच आमी पळयता की आमी एक वर्ल्ड सुपर पावर जावपाचे रस्त्यार आहात, आमी ते मार्गार आहात आनी ते इन दॅट डायरेक्शन आय थिंक इट इज अ ग्रेट फिलींग दॅट कोस्ट गार्ड ऑल्सो इज not found wanting from any angle. In fact, they are growing with big strides, which is a very good sign for the country, which is a sign of all-round build-up, where we can truly be called a superpower very soon. You have seen we are growing as an economy. Today we are the 5th largest economy. In perhaps before next 5 years, we will be the 3rd largest economy, as the figures point out. So what does this show? Whether it is the Coast Guard, whether it is Navy, whether it is your other Air Force or Army, we will naturally be growing as one of the greatest democracies with a population of 1.4 billion. It is but natural that we grow in every sphere, not forgetting services to the citizens, not forgetting the common man. Fisherman is a common man. The vivid example what I can give here, when they are in distress, who reaches out to you? It's the Coast Guard. Therefore, I congratulate them on achieving this feat of having quarters for their officers. Efficiency automatically increases. Their families will feel safer. That is what is required.
Okay, as Sir said, and Goa is an important place for Coast Guard, geographically very strategically located in the center of the western seaboard. And we've got good support from the state government over here. So that's why we have almost 7 ships based here. We've got deberthing facilities from the MPA. We've got our air squadron over here. We are looking to base more aircraft over here with support from the state government. This will only enhance the coastal security, not only of Goa, but the entire west coast, from where our ships can easily be deployed for any requirement of search and rescue, and we are always on patrol. Now we have got almost 150 officers over here and 800 sailors and also civilian staff. So to enable our officers and sailors to be at sea at all times whenever the ships are on deployment and not worry about their families. It is very important that the families stay in a very safe place. People have got small children or aged parents with them. So they should not be worrying about the family and they should be able to concentrate on the job at hand, which is itself is very difficult. So towards that end, we have got the land over here. We had shortage of quarters, and we have come up with quarters for the officers, and we are also having several quarters coming up for the men, where the families will be able to stay safely in a society. And we are very glad and we express the gratitude to our Honourable Minister for having taken time out and come and inaugurate one such building, which is a Type 5 building for our officers. There are 14 quarters, and this will enable our officers to, as Sir said, be more efficient out at sea, not worry about their families, and we are thankful to Sir. And we've also requested and for some other help in extending our water supply over here and providing some public transport, which Sir has said that he will definitely look into, and which will alleviate our problems of people staying here and people coming to work over here.